How you doing, Infamous Living Room Network? It's Trent Henderson. Thank you so much for tuning in. Divine powers are always working for us because we're trying to do right. So, folks, I'm gonna tell you how to literally change your life and go from like being in a completely negative situation to like being a very, very abundant person. You know, a person who is using the law of attraction full fledged. You know what I mean? It should not be no excuse as to why after this video you are not living the life that you want to live, folks. I'm going to tell you exactly how to live it. Listen up. First and foremost, though, if you want more enlightenment tips every single day, you want to learn more about the law of attraction, and you love this manifestation stuff, and you want to attract the life to you that you want to attract to you, make sure you subscribe, folks, over here in the bottom right-hand corner. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, too, to go ahead and confirm what I'm about to tell you. You will get it by the end of this video. You will get exactly what I'm saying. So go ahead and confirm that right now by pressing thumbs up. So let me tell y'all this. Once upon a time, like I was in a very, very low state in my life, and some of you probably can relate to this low state of consciousness. It's like you feel like the world is against you. You feel like you're about to crack. You know, you're just always just, you always just have this like dark cloud over your head. It seems like you can just never break out. It's like you never see the light of the day. Like there's never enough sunlight shining and beaming on your life. It's just like, oh my God, when am I gonna get my big break? When am I ever going to start attracting the life that I dream of? And you just always feel down and out. You know, it's just like you're stuck in this spot. You can't get out. You're trying and trying and trying to do the best you can. But for some strange reason, it's like you never are going to get out of this solitary confinement. You know what I mean? This dark hole, this black hole, this prison cell. You know, it's like you got chains on you and a spiritual chains on you that keep you from breaking through to get to where you want to go. You know what I mean? And to do the things that you want to do, folks. That was me. That was me. I was that person, folks. For so long, I always felt like that. But you know what I did to change that? I'm going to tell you exactly what I did to change that. One day, it was one day, like I actually imagined. And I said to myself, why am I allowing myself to feel like this all the time? So immediately, right then in that moment when I began to imagine, like, why am I allowing myself to feel like this? All the fingers pointed back at me. And I just began to just look at myself, and I began to get mad at myself. And I'm just like, you know what? I can't get mad at nobody but myself. And so it's like when I started to take consideration and take responsibilities for my own thinking processes, because I was allowing myself to think those negative thoughts about me because I thought what people thought about me or whatever, and I thought that they didn't like me, they didn't want me to succeed, they didn't want me to become anything special or nothing like that. But I stopped thinking like that once I started to point the finger at myself, and I started changing the thoughts that I think. And I started changing the way that I feel, because I knew that I was the head honcho of my feelings. You know what I mean? I was the president of the government of my body. Every cell in my body listens to me. Every thought in my mind listens to me. I am the president. I am the chain, the head of the command. And so when I started thinking like that, immediately I started to put myself in different circumstances and situations that I know will only give me back what I wanted. Like I started to just be happy for no reason, because I'm like, you know what? I'm the only one that can create my happiness, or I'm the only one that making me sad. I'm the only one that can make me cry and feel down and out. So I'm gonna make myself feel happy versus what I used to feel. And folks, I mastered it. I started to actually change. I saw things started to change into my life, come into my life that I always wanted. Like I started attracting stuff into my life. I started to understand more about energy. I started to understand more about the law of vibration and how, wow, just because I tricked myself into thinking that I'm positive and happy and glad and excited, I'm starting to naturally feel glad and excited and ready to go. People started liking me. Girls started coming to me, giving me their number. Here, Trent is here. Come and date me. Come and date me. Everybody started to want to get my attention. I started to create the Infamous Living Room Network. Things started to come together. Oh my God, things started to come together. I started putting out videos and videos and videos and videos and videos and videos and videos. My energy was getting high because I was tricking and manipulating my mind to think positive about myself. And the whole time I had been thinking that I was supposed to be down, like I was supposed to be out. It was me the whole time. And I started changing in due time because I started like really literally thinking of happy things just for no reason. Like I can be happy right now if I want. I'm happy. I'm energetic right now just because I want to be energetic. Because I know about the law of attraction and vibration and energy, folks. Energy, folks. That's what it's all about. It's all about energy. You see how I just put myself in a high level of energy, how it was so exciting. How you wanted to listen. How you wanted to be a part of the Infamous Living Room Network. How you subscribed over there before you actually watched the video. How you confirmed it by pressing thumbs up. And if you ain't pressed thumbs up, you better do it now, folks, because it's about your vibration. It's about your energy. And so I began to see life in energy and in vibrations. I'm like, you know what? I don't want to be a part of that energy over there because it don't feel right. So I'm going to go away from that and go over here. You know what? I don't want to eat at this restaurant anymore because it doesn't have the proper energies that I like. You know what? I don't want to go to this club over here anymore because I can feel negative tension and negative energies when I go there. Why would I go there? Trinish, do you want to go to the... No, I don't want to go there. Not because you're telling me to go there and I'm just saying no because I just want to be a ass or anything. No, it's not my energy. And so it's like I began to live my whole life in like this energetic vibrational frequency thinking. And so folks, when you start thinking like energetically and vibrational thinking and stuff like that, folks, you begin to start living your life like that. And see, this is what so many people are so trapped in behind closed doors, you know, and cannot break away and get past the glass window is because they live their whole life making judgments and decisions and choices off of surface area. Off the surface area. They see what they think is wrong, and so they adapt according to what's wrong, what they see on the outside, and they think that if they maneuver a little bit to the right, they can make it past what they see is wrong, failing to realize that what they see is really a figment of their very own thought patterns, because they have yet to allow themselves to break free from the things that they are allowing to control them on the outside of their life. All you have to do is start seeing everything that's going on in your life as something that you are creating, like I did. Once upon a time when I was down and out, bawling on the floor, crying, mad at God, I changed my perception of me being bullied, and I became the victor rather than acting like I'm a victim all the time. Nobody was around to make me sad. I was the only one that was able to make myself glad, and immediately, that's what I did. So I shifted my perception on how I saw my whole world and my whole universe. And I said, you know what? I am responsible for all of this. Me. I am in control of my feelings. If anybody comes up to me and makes me mad, no, better yet, they can't do that no more because I can determine whether or not I want to be mad or not. You can come at me mad, want to fight me, but don't touch me because I'm still happy. I'm still excited. You can't make me mad. Oh, back in the day, I used to have females that want to take themselves out of my life, and they thought that it would make me mad because they left my life because I lost them. They felt like I was gonna be a loser, or they thought that I was gonna lose, or you know how people think. I mean, come on, it's common sense with everybody, right? People love to make you feel like since you're not in their life, you're gonna fail. Little do they know, we're still succeeding, and it's never gonna stop. Never, ever, ever. Amen. And so when you stop letting men get to you and stop making you feel like, you know, you under their rule and their control, you begin to make them feel like they need you. And this ain't about power, and this ain't about competition either. I'm trying to show you how energy works, folks. Energy. Stop settling for less. Start being able to say no. You got to be able to say no to a lot of things when you know about energy, because it's like everybody gonna want to suck you into that little bit of energy. You ain't got time for that pettiness no more. You talking about big houses. You talking about big dreams. You talking about big vacation trips. You talking about big goals. You talking about big wedding plans. You know what I mean? You talk about big spots you want to go hang out with your friends. You ain't talking about the little rinky-dink stuff no more, the little holes in the walls no more. We ain't talking about that. We ain't talking about t-shirts and jeans no more. We want some real fabric. We want some real fabrics. You know what I mean? We ain't talking about this cheap stuff no more. We want to shop in the Whole Foods store where the real organic fruits and vegetables at. You know? We don't want nothing with hormones in it no more. We want the real deal. Cause we know that vibration and energy is more important than anything else. I'd rather go spend my last $20 in the Whole Food store than go spend my last $20 at a store where I know I'm not gonna get the value of the product that I pay for. You see what I'm saying? So because that's gonna make me feel better, because it's gonna give me more energy than me going buy some cheap stuff, thinking I'm getting by, but my energy is never getting by. When you buy cheap stuff, it make you feel like you're getting by because you have a fear of losing money. So it's an energetic exchange going on there. You get what you want and you keep your little money in your pocket and you save more than, more than what you thought you was gonna save or whatever the case may be. But you never really get that full energy, that good feeling. You never can feel the true quality of high level energy by spending your money on what you really want. I got into a habit of that. On my journey. I said to myself, you know what? If God, if you really real, that means you know what's in my pocket, right? God was like, yes. And I'm like, okay, if you know what's in my pocket, then you know you gave me this money, right? Yes. Okay, so that means that you said you always love me, right? Yes. Okay, that means you care for me all the time too, right? And my bank account, and how much I'm spending, right? God is God, right? Yes. And so, okay, so I'm gonna buy what I want to buy now. I ain't gonna get crazy with it, but I'm gonna buy the type of lotion that I want. I want the St. Ives. I want St. Ives, God. Yes, that's cool. That's cool. That's when I heard God say, that's cool. I'm like, okay, I ain't gonna, you know what I mean? I ain't gonna go get nobody no Bath and Body Works and that like that. But nah, seriously, you know what I'm saying? Like, I started to even spend my money on quality products. Feel better. Don't I look better? Look at that new hair product I got in my hair. Oh my God, I look better. You know what I mean? Because it's all about energy. The more you get your energy up by even buying simple as products that's better than the last products you used to use, it's gonna boost your energy. Folks, go where the energy goes. This world isn't, I'm gonna end it off like this. Life is an illusion, folks. It makes you feel like you have to have the right job. It makes you feel like you have to have the right amount of money or whatever. You got to be super duper rich or whatever. But you don't, folks. All you got to do is get on that level of frequency. You got to vibrate at that level of frequency where it carries you to do all the things that you want to do. And everything will come to you as long as you're in that right frequency. And sometimes, listen, this is how you're going to notice that you're in that right frequency. Sometimes you're going to feel it. Like, you can wake up in the morning and have, 2 hours in your day, you don't even feel good. But something is going to trigger this blissful feeling within you that says, I love my life. I love life. You're going to have that feeling from time to time. And when you feel that feeling, that's it, folks. You got to hold that feeling right there. And when you hold that feeling, that is when you recognize the power that you have within yourself. That is always there, and stay on that frequency. You stay on that frequency of feeling good, and life is abundant. You ain't got nothing to worry about, no care in the world. Everything is gonna begin to come to you, folks. Trust and believe. I know that's what happened to me once upon a time when I used to be crying on the floor. I don't gotta do that no more, folks. Things are good, and things will be good for you too, if you just listen to exactly what I've just told you. So thank you so much for tuning in. If this video resonated with you, go ahead and press thumbs up, folks. Speak up, let your voice be heard. Leave a nice comment below. And if you want to talk to me regularly, folks, go ahead and sign up and become a Realm Team member so we can get these conversations rolling monthly. And I can help you manifest anything in the world that you want to manifest, folks. Sign up. I'll see you on the phone. Or I'll talk to you on the phone. I'll see you on the Living Realm Network. Peace.